So when you make an adjustment, how do the adjustments last? Or how long do they last? How does that all work? Because it seems to me, you make that adjustment, person's going to get up and just walk away, and things are going to go back the way they were.
Right. So there's a long process, and sometimes the adjustment will hold for a really long time, like weeks. Some patients I see weekly. Some patients I see every other day. It depends on the acuteness of what's going on in their spine. If they've never been to a chiropractor, we usually start with twice a week for a couple weeks, and just because that repetition teaches the body where to be.
Sure.
All of the ligaments and muscles have adapted to whatever position they've been in. So good old Eileen, her ligaments and muscles are all adapted to her twisted up body. She would need a lot of work. Right. So when we get them in place, it takes the body immediately starts to adapt to that new position. It just takes some time. So how long it lasts, it depends. I always give homework for people to do exercises and stretches to help facilitate quicker healing, quicker stability. Those that work out and are more active usually do better and quicker. However, those that are crazy sports people, I usually see quite often.
Right.
Because they're a little reckless. So,
gotcha.
Yeah. To be honest, these puns really are fun.